everyone, I'm Miss Mary Beth. I'm the Youth Services Librarian at Ingalls Memorial Library here in Ridge. And I'm here today for our first ever Fun Friday, where I'll show you how-to videos or fun activities that you can do at home. And I love to bake and I love desserts, so I thought I would start with an easy dessert that's pretty fun too. That doesn't use a lot of ingredients, that hopefully we have in our houses, and it's not too hard to make right now. So what we're going to make today is, they're called chocolate peanut butter banana bites. I love all of those things, peanut butter and chocolate and bananas. And they're pretty fun and easy. So I have all of my ingredients prepared. What I've done so far is I melted some chocolate chips and I added a teaspoon of coconut oil because that helps to make it more smooth. And I also have a banana that I have to just cut up into slices. And I have some peanut butter that I've melted. And I have the recipe, so I'll post it when I post this video. So what we're going to do is, the cups are really easy. I've prepared the tray of mini muffin tins that I put little muffin papers in. And then I'll put some chocolate on the bottom, like in a peanut butter cup. Then a piece of banana that's just a circle sliced. And then a clump of peanut butter, then more chocolate on top to kind of seal it all together. And then we sprinkle some sea salt flakes on top to give it a little extra salty kick. So, pretty much it's all very basic ingredients, and I've mostly prepared everything. I just have to take my banana that I have washed, and I've washed my hands, and my hair is up so that everything is out of my face so I can prepare the food safely and with care. So I'm just going to slice the banana into a bunch of little slices. Like here's one of them. Not too thick. Are you doing a lot of baking from your homes? Really like to bake. Okay, so I've cut up some, so we'll see how many we need. So then I'll take my spoonful of chocolate and I'll drop it in, and I'll use a knife to help push that off. I'll kind of press it all along the bottom. And I'll go through and I'll do all of them so that we're done with that step. Just a little bit to cover the bottom to seal it all in. It's okay if it makes a little bit of a mess. I'm not the neatest baker. Hopefully you have all these ingredients in your houses. If you don't want to use banana, you don't have to. Or if you don't have peanut butter, you could use something else like Nutella. It would probably be delicious if you have Nutella at your house. So we'll do a couple more. I don't have to do the whole thing because once you get the hang of it, it's not too hard. So I've covered up some all along the bottom. I'm getting chocolate all over the tray, but that's kind of okay. Can you see there's all chocolate in there? And then I'll take a circle of the banana and I'll plop it on top and kind of just press it in a little bit into the chocolate to make sure that it's secure in there. And I'll press all of them. Do you have bananas? Do you like bananas? Not everybody does. It helps if you use fresh bananas. Okay, so I've put a banana on top of every one. I'll take a spoon and I'll scoop a little clump of peanut butter and plop it on top of each banana. So that it's just a little bit, not too much peanut butter, but it's good if it covers the banana. That way you get that good peanut butter flavor. Okay, this part doesn't have to be super exact. And then I take the chocolate, and on the top of the chocolate that goes on top, you're going to want to put a lot, more than you did on the bottom. That way it covers it all and seals it all in. And I halved the recipe because I didn't think I needed to make all that many. But when I post the recipe, you can use more of the ingredients or less. And it's a good recipe because it doesn't have to be exact. If you decide you suddenly need more chocolate, it's not hard to just melt more chocolate chips. Or if you want more peanut butter than it calls for, you can do that too. That one has the chocolate swirled with the peanut butter. But that's okay. I hope you're all doing okay and you're staying entertained and active and you're learning and you're reading. I hope you're reading at home. There's a lot of good online resources and books that you can use. Okay. So now they're all pretty much covered with chocolate. As you can see, my tray is very, very messy. And then I'm going to take some sea salt and just sprinkle a couple of flakes on top of each one. Ooh. The saltiness is really nice with the chocolate and peanut butter flavors. And then, once you're all done, you can just put them in your freezer and leave them there for a little bit. And once they're all frozen and just firm enough, that way they don't melt all over when you pick them up, they're good to go. That was my very first recipe. It doesn't use too many ingredients, and hopefully you all think it's delicious. See you next week for whatever fun Friday activity we have. Have a nice weekend!